Hey there, this is Stephen Wong with Aven Investments. Thanks for tuning in. I'd like to wish you and your family a very happy Thanksgiving. Today I have some data about condos that you may find interesting, especially if you own or rent a condo, or perhaps if you're thinking of buying a condo as an investment.
So here's a graph showing the months of supply for different types of homes. Months of supply is the number of months it would take to sell all of the homes at the current rate of sales. So right now, in 2016, over here, demand for housing is down, meaning fewer sales are happening, which means that there are larger inventories at this particular point in time. Inventory simply means the number of homes for sale on the market. Now, it's normal in any downturn in the economy to have higher inventories. Take 2009, for example. We have higher inventories here as well as right now. What's important to note, though, is that there's nearly 7 months of supply in apartments right here. And when you contrast that to about 3 months worth of inventory in detached homes, which is here, we can note that there are way more apartments on the market than what people want. That, and there are many apartment buildings that haven't even been completed yet. Knowing that the inventory of apartments is much higher than the inventories in detached homes, we can assert a few things. One, it's going to be a lot more difficult to sell a condo, especially when we have 6 or 7 months worth of supply. In addition, that large amount of inventory of apartment units will be a downward force on the price of condos and apartments because the availability is so high compared to the demand. That's why we have 6 or 7 months of supply in the first place.
If you're thinking of buying a condo as an investment, I believe that it may be important to consider a few of the following things. Number one, the vacancy rate in downtown Calgary is at least 6.9%. That's of October 2015, according to CMHC. Secondly, traditionally it's difficult to make condos cash flow because of the condo fees. You're also exposed to condo fee hikes and potential special assessments that could occur that will obliterate your cash flow, as Atif and I have talked about in previous videos. Number three, because of the excess in inventory and the excess of supply of condos right now, I believe that the excess of supply will put downward pressure on the price of condos, making it difficult for you, the investor, to realize any appreciation for some time. If you already own a condo as an investment and you're having difficulty renting it out, you may want to look at some of the following creative strategies. Number one, you could furnish the condo, charge more for it, and also go after a different type of client. Number two, you could rent it as an executive rental suite. Find an executive rental company, get them to rent it out to some of their clients, and charge more for your suite as well. Finally, you could use the equity that you've built up in your current investment to purchase another property using a HELOC or some other type of loan, and use that new cash flowing investment to offset some of your losses. So I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please share with a friend. And if you're looking for tenant headache-free real estate investments for you to participate in, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks, and have a great week.